All right. So we're looking at the Fick's first law of diffusion. The Fick's first law of diffusion is used to explain simple diffusion. Now, already we know we have 4 types of passive transport. Number 1 is what? Simple diffusion, facilitated diffusion, osmosis, and what? Ion channels. Now, Fick's law of diffusion can be used to explain simple diffusion. Simple diffusion is simply movement of molecules from region of what? High concentration to region of what? Lower concentration. So if we have something like this and we have say 5 molecules here, this molecule will be moving from here to here until equilibrium is reached. Now let me ask, at equilibrium, do you think that the molecules will not be moving again? Like if there is equilibrium now, that is, let me make this 6, and there is transport until we have 3 here. Do you think the molecules will not be moving again? There will be movement of molecules, but since it's at equilibrium, there will not be any observed difference between these 2 sides. So simple diffusion is simply movement of molecules from high concentration to what? Low concentration. Right? Good. Now the Fick's law, the Fick's first law of diffusion is given as this. This is the formula. In mathematics, in calculus, you learn dy dx, right? Is it not? Dy over dx. Now, this symbol here is used to represent the net amount of substance moved per time. D here represents the diffusion coefficient. And this stuff here, anytime you see the something dx, the c dx, the y dx, we are talking about gradients. So this the c dx here is the chemical gradient of the substance. Is the chemical gradient of the substance. So this law is stating that something is proportional to solubility of the molecule. What is that? The next movement of what? The rate of diffusion. That's the rate of movement. The rate of diffusion of molecules across the membrane is directly proportional to what? Solubility. Is directly proportional to the solubility. Meaning the more is directly proportional to solubility and what? And diffusion coefficient, right? And diffusion coefficient. The next movement of molecule, the diffusion of a molecule across the membrane is proportional to the diffusion coefficient and the solubility of that molecule. Now, that means that the more soluble the substance is, the more it will pass through the cell membrane, right? The more soluble it is, the more it will pass through. So in this Fick's law, just take notes. We are having D here and this gradient here. So basically, this is it.